How strong is a flip phone? I don't know. Let's drop it from certain heights and see how strong it is. Sounds good to me. Like a regular phone or like this kind of phone? This kind of phone? All right. Level 1. This high is level 1. Survived. Level 2. This high. Survived. Level 4. This high. Survived. Oh. Hasn't cracked yet. Beep, 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 boop. Level 6. Okay, this is going to be hard to film. Hold on. How about I do this part on the gravel? I'm going to do this part on the gravel because it's hard to, like, throw it up and, like, I don't know. Three, 2, 1. Okay. These pieces broke. That's just wonderful. Gonna put it back on. Hold on. Alright. Now time to do the highest drop that we're gonna do. There is a really high drop inside. That's probably the highest one. But that's inside. And I don't want it to shatter all over the place. So let's try to do it inside. I mean, outside. Alright. I'm at the highest drop. Let's do it. This is like 100 feet high, maybe? I don't know. But 3, 2, 1. That did not sound good. It doesn't look that bad. It looks great. Now let's go all the way down there and check it out. It looks fine to me. The only part that it messed up really is this part back there, right there. See it? That got a little bruised, but it doesn't. Again, on how strong is the flip phone? I've got the flip phone right here. Now it's time to drop it all the way down there. Oh, that must have hurt. Now let's go down there and check it out, guys. And I got my little sister with me somewhere. If I can check this window, hold on. Oh, my little sister was over here somewhere. I don't know where she went. Shut the window. Where'd my little sister go? Allie! Ooh, there's my little sister. Alright, do you want to go see the damage that I did? Alright, I finally made it down. It's kind of loud down here, but let's see the damage. Alright, so first, oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh, it's not cracked, but took a lot of damage right there. I don't know, I was all the way up there. That's not bad. But now we're just snapping it all back together because my phone took so much damage. Right. It's like in Fortnite. My phone took 1,000,000 fall damage. My phone is broken. It's not even working. So make sure to like and subscribe. And if you liked it, leave a like. And make sure to subscribe because you can always unsubscribe later.